Royal PVC trim and molding solutions offer the look and feel of wood without all of the maintenance. They're ideal for projects like exterior accent or corner trim upgrades, as we'll show you in this video. Royal PVC trim and molding products come in a wide variety of profiles, thicknesses, and lengths that make projects like exterior trim boards simple, fast, and beautiful. For this project, you're going to need Royal 1x3.5 inch or 1x5.5 inch trim and molding products. First, determine your trim board length. Your trim board measurements start at 1/8 inch below the eave and at least 1/4 inch below the edge of the sheathing. Cut your trim board pieces. Next, make an L-shaped corner construction. Apply pipe cement to one edge of the 3.5 inch trim board and butt joint it against the edge of the 5.5 inch trim board. Secure them using 15-gauge finish nails every 16 inches and then countersink each nail when complete. Continue to use the same process with your other corners. Now, add the L-shaped trim corner to your house. Be sure and maintain a 1/8 inch gap below the eave to allow for expansion and contraction. Secure your L-shaped corner using two 3/2 inch exterior screws about every 16 inches and countersink them about 1/8 inch. Once all of your corners are secured, you can add your cladding, drip edges, and other trim components per the manufacturer's instructions. After you've completed trimming out all of your corners, fill in the nail holes with DAP all-purpose painter's putty and caulk along the cladding, as directed by the siding manufacturer. Paint your corner trim as desired. And now, your Royal PVC corner trim project is complete.